Could you start making money online in 60 days? The answer is yes. And to make it even better, Kajabi, my favorite all-in-one online business platform, is offering a 60-day free trial today. Like today only. This is Tuesday, 2/22/22. And to celebrate the two-ness of Tuesday today, they are offering 2 free months of Kajabi. That is 60 days. And you can get that with my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get the free trial for 2 months. That means you got 2 months to jump on there, see if it's for you, see if you like it. In addition to the free trial with my link, we're also going to do a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call, just you and me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how you can get the best possible start on that platform. You're also going to get my $25,000 course launch email template, and starting today, I'm announcing that you will also get my brand new exclusive course just for my Kajabi affiliates called Kajabi Accelerator. This is a course that will help you get started on Kajabi. It's got some content about how to grow a profitable online business and how to do it on Kajabi. So that is yours as well. So 60 days for free for using my link, the 45-minute call with me, the template, and my brand new course called Kajabi Accelerator. I just wanted to tell you that this is the day to do it. If you've been thinking about Kajabi, maybe you've watched some of my videos, maybe you've been on here before, maybe you've seen all the different helpful tutorials and reviews that I have about Kajabi, maybe you've watched my online business content, and you've always thought, at some point I should try out having an online business and I should try out doing it on Kajabi. Today is the day. Like, this is the day to do it. What has 6 twos and is available today only, it's a 2-month free trial of Kajabi, and you can get it using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. I just figured I would be remiss if I didn't tell you. But there is good news. Not only am I going to offer you the free trial of 2 months, but I also want to point you to a 3-hour live event that I did today. Like, I just got off of it, where I showed you how to build your business in 60 days. So if you got the free trial, or you get the free trial today, how could you get that to a profitable business in 2 months, in 60 days? And if you click right here, you'll be able to jump into that video. It's 3 hours. You can skip around however you want. Lots of great content in there to show you exactly how to build your business in 60 days on Kajabi. So use my link below to go get on Kajabi. Click right there to see that, how you can build your profitable online business in 60 days.